Hello. Let's look at how to calculate the equation of the line of symmetry step by step. Now, there is a question that was asked in NECO 2023. The question says, study this graph and then calculate the equation of the line of symmetry. So let's look at how to solve this problem step by step. Now, let's take a look at the graph again. We have two graphs here. We have the quadratic curve, and also we have the linear graph, the quadratic graph itself, and then the linear graph. Uh, the line of symmetry is always a vertical line of the form x equals to n, where n is a real number. For the graph of any quadratic relation of the form y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, the equation of each axis of symmetry will be x equals to minus b over 2a. Now, the first step here is you have to derive the quadratic equation from the quadratic curve, which cuts the x-axis at x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 2. You may refer back to the graph that was given in the question. Now, from x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 2, we can derive the quadratic equation of that graph. The steps are displayed on the screen here. Now, the next step is to identify a and b in the quadratic equation that was derived in step 1. Now, you know the equation is x squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Now, comparing it with the quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, we discover that our a is 1 and our b is minus 1. Now, for step 3, we need to now calculate the equation of the line of symmetry. Now, the equation of the line of symmetry is x equals to minus b over 2a. You know, remember our a is 1 and our b is minus 1. So you substitute these two parameters into the equation of the line of symmetry. And if substitution is done correctly, you're going to have x to be equals to 0.5, which is your answer. So the answer to the question is C. Based on the question I was given, C is the correct answer, and the steps have been shown in previous slides.